In this video, I'm going to show you how to connect a SharePoint folder and to Project Insight as a document repository. First, you're going to navigate to the project documents. When you're in any project, you can get to the project documents from the Views menu, choose Documents, and that will take you to this screen that you see here. In this case, I'm going to choose SharePoint because I want to connect to a SharePoint folder. This form comes up, and the next step is you need to navigate to SharePoint and get a shareable link. In this case, I've want to connect this cybersecurity project. This is a SharePoint shared folder in my Windows. This is something that you should always do if you're using SharePoint, is map your Windows Explorer to SharePoint so that you can really easily use the folders just the same as you would any folder on your project. So once I've done that, I can say choose OneDrive and then choose Share, and then a dialog box comes up. Sometimes, though, by the way, depending on your organization, if the organization has it set up that you can't share folders, you might need to talk to your system administrator to get them to allow sharing. At least with this option, people with existing access can use the link, which is anyone in your company for the most part in most cases. So in this case, I do want to just share it with people that can use the link. There are other options that you can choose. I'm choosing people with existing access. Once I've chosen that, I can then choose copy, and that link is now in my buffer on my computer, and I can, remove the Windows Explorer area and go back to my browser and then paste that link in. And I'm going to name this because cybersecurity project. I'm just going to say this is the cybersecurity project documents, and this is what's a friendly name that'll show up in Project Insight. If you want a long description, you can also provide that here, but that's just purely optional. Go ahead and hit save, and now there's a project documents repository here. Anybody who comes along in your organization that has access, if they click on here, it'll just open a new window and it'll take them right into their into your SharePoint folder. If you don't have the Explorer connected like I showed earlier, you can do the same thing. I can get the link to this folder by saying share inside your SharePoint folder with that icon there, and in the exact same scenario, I want to say copy a shareable link. So that option for sharing is also available right here in SharePoint as well. And so then this is how you can map a document repository to SharePoint. You can actually do multiple repositories from any of these other options as well. So if you would like to add a different repository, just click on the link again and you can add another one as well. So that's how you would create a link between your Project Insight project and your SharePoint repository.